So this ad is at my banana ice cream and sauces workshop. Which sauces are you eating with your ice cream? With your banana ice cream?
Mango date one.
Mango date sauce. It tastes like caramel.
Sorry.
You like it? Great. And are you both did you try the carob chocolate sauce?
It was really good too.
Awesome. Did you try the blueberry date sauce? You like all three? Great. Awesome. What about you? You like the ice creams? Good, good.
I have eaten all the chocolate sauce.
You like the chocolate sauce? Yeah. So this isn't regular chocolate. There's no dairy in it. It's carob instead of chocolate. Awesome.
I'm just surprised at how easy everything is to make here. Everything you taught us so easy.
Yeah, I'm trying to make everything very uncomplicated and very doable.
Yeah, you haven't shown us anything with more than 3 ingredients.
Yeah, well, the chocolate sauce I think has 4 ingredients.
Okay, it's dates,
Dates, avocado, carob powder,
carob powder.
vanilla,
Oh, vanilla, I missed that.
and then a little water just to get it moving.
Uh-huh.
So we have, this is mango date sauce. I have 2 bowls of that. And it tastes like caramel.
Thank you, Karen.
Yeah, thank you, Karen.
You're
It's
welcome.
really good. I'm definitely gonna make this
I mean, that
chocolate.
chocolate,
Great.
That chocolate is
why is
amazing,
this
right?
it's so easy, it's ridiculous.
It's so easy. You can have your own banana ice cream party.
This is the best chocolate I've ever had in my life.
Yeah, it's like
Great.
you're not losing anything. It's like, why don't they make all chocolate that way?
Exactly.
Ridiculous.
I've ever had.
Wonderful. So glad you like it. So here, this is chocolate sauce. It's so creamy and smooth. You'll never even know that it's not chocolate. It's carob powder, dates, vanilla, avocado to make it extra creamy, and water. It's basically 4 ingredients with water just to get it moving. You'll love it. Your kids will love it. Super yummy. So Helene is here at my children's raw food demo because she is still a kid. And she made banana ghosts and banana nice cream and sauces with the kids. Let's see that really cute banana ghost. So this is for Halloween, and it's just banana, and you can put a stick on the bottom, a wooden craft stick to hold it up, and you can roll it in shredded coconut, and then put on raisins for eyes and nose, and if you have raisins that aren't soaked, you can even make a mouth with them. Yeah, it makes a great treat for Halloween, banana ghosts. And so, Helene, I know that you like to make raw food recipes. Can you tell me about your recipe books?
Yeah, like at home I have like one shelf of like cooked vegan books and then raw vegan cookbooks, and like Karen's book for families is like the easiest one, like the easiest recipes. It's my favorite one.
It's very easy.
Yeah, I always tell people when they're interested in raw food to go get her book, because that's going to be the simplest ones for them, and they're going to just love it. And there's stuff for kids in there and tips for like getting your kids to eat veggies and fruits, so it's great.
And a lot of those tips are for adults too. Anyway, thank you and enjoy your banana ghost, Helene.
Thanks, I will.
Sure.
So Anna, our photographer at the Woodstock Fruit Festival, came and put my recipes for mango date sauce, which tastes like caramel, and the chocolate sauce made with carob instead of chocolate, and the blueberry date sauce, and then our banana ghost that we made from banana rolled in shredded coconut with raisins for the face, and we have them on craft sticks. Looks really fun for any holiday.